Okay, welcome back. So we are just about counting down to the pre-open session. 3 minutes to that. The SGX is indicating an absolutely flat kind of start. 8 points or so is what we have. Manoj Murlidharan is Vice President Derivatives at Religare Broking, who's joining us. Manoj, great to have you with us here. Thank you very much. What's your sense? More downward bias, Manoj, according to you, today and over the next couple of days? Or you think there can be two-way price action, sharp bounces if there are to be dips?
Good morning, Prashant. Prashant, I think this is a pattern. This is going on since last 3 months. When we start the series, the Nifty has a position of around 90 odd lakhs and then it goes to around 1.25 crores. So it happened this time also. If you remember last week, we were expecting a short covering from 17,800 to 18,100. So more or less that has happened, and the profit booking has taken the market down to a good 450, 500 points. Now, the irony here is there is, along with the IVs, the VIX has gone to a 19.5. So that summons some more downside. But we believe that 17,650, 650 for this weekly expiry might be the resistance. So use a 100-point surge to sell the Nifty, and the downside support would be 17,350 to 400. A better strategy when you see a profit booking is always you sell call options of 17,900 and above strike. That is one that can be done. For clients who would want to get into an option buy trade, doing a 17,500 and a 17,300 put bear spread can be done at, let's say, 70 rupees. That can give you a target of around 140 rupees.
You want to take us through the individual stock ideas as well, considering that it's such a volatile market? What would you look at?
Sonia, I guess Reliance for the first time, at least in the last 4 or 5 days, I've seen some short positions, and the resistance comes somewhere close to 25.10 to 25.20. So try and buy a 2,500 strike put option for this September end expiry. You will get it close to 45 to 50 rupees. A stop loss of 30 rupees, and that can give you a potential 75 to 80 rupees as a target.
Okay, that's it. No more stock ideas?
Hindalco we have seen some short positions. So I guess, we would say at least in the metal pack, it would be a sell and buy. But then stock specific, as I said, we'll stick to Reliance. And if, yes, we like banks, so we would wait for some correction. I believe 40,200 to 250 on the bank Nifty is a good price to go long. Let's say 150 points in the stop loss, and we expect at least a 40,600 to 700 on the index.
Okay. All right. Thanks a lot for joining in.